Welcome back. International Cooperative Alliance will hold a workshop on development of consumer cooperatives in India. This workshop will have presentation on how other countries have succeeded in consumer cooperatives. Speaker would highlight the aspects wherein India lags behind. The workshop will be held in Donapaula on Wednesday, 3rd April.
First time somebody from India has been selected as a vice chairman of Asia Pacific region. So we are having a workshop and we intentionally selected Goa. And I also decided that let us start with Goa because it's a small place. The small place we can have a control, we can have a transparency, and we can implement the strategy of the central government or whatever decided by the state. So that's why this is the first conference we are holding in Goa.
Motocross icon Alan Sequeira is all set for the new season after having recently arrived from a training stint in England. Alan gave a tryout for Kawasaki in England and in the process experienced a lot of professional tricks of the trade. The ace Goan rider is targeting to shift his base to Essex near London in September.
This is former national champion Alan Sequeira at the Kawasaki Motocross tryouts in Essex, London. After spending over 3 months in England, Alan is aiming to ride there in September.
I'm aiming to ride now in UK as well in September, hope to, because I have to get my license done over there, full medical test is there. I got a sponsor to ride over there. Last time training I switched Essex, London. I went to a training in Kawasaki Motocross tryouts. So there was a good thing, like I learned very much about techniques, good body length, like whatever we do in supercross is different in motocross. So it was a good tryout, like and good training camp organized by Kawasaki Motocross tryout. And around there was a track at 2 kilometers something, and it was a good fun over there. Like we were starting at around 9 o'clock in the morning. And we have to ride for at least for 4 hours in the first session. In the second session, we have to start at around 2:30 and we have to finish at 4:30.
As for his targets for the domestic seasons are concerned, Alan has set his eye on podium finish.
Next target event at the MRF Supercross 2013 championship launch, I think so in May. And I'm aiming for that championship because I have to finish in the podium.
A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Pink was the color. Centuries-old tradition of Gulal was celebrated at Zamali on Tuesday with fervour and joy. Entire Margaon was in devotional mood with Ramnath Damodar Maharaj Ki Jai slogan. Commercial capital Margaon stopped on Tuesday evening to pray before Dambab and celebrate Gulal. you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
Tumi Puritat Prudent. You're watching Prudent.